In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write formulas in Notion, making your data processes more efficient and streamlined. It's crucial to have a solid grasp of the steps involved, especially if you're aiming to make the most out of this versatile tool. Let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to the Notion website. If you're new to Notion or visiting again, this site will be your starting point every time you want to create or modify your workspace. Once the website loads, look towards the top right corner and locate the Login button. Clicking on this will take you to the Login page. Here, you'll see several options to log in. For convenience and speed, select Continue with Google and pick the Google account you wish to associate with your Notion workspace. This method eliminates the need for remembering yet another password and simplifies the login process. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your database. Find the database you intend to work with, as this is where you'll implement the formulas. Databases in Notion are flexible and allow you to manage data just like any spreadsheet, but with added functionalities. Once inside your database, take a look at your table. You'll want to add a new property. Click on Add Property to initiate this process. This function is not just for formulas. It lets you expand your table's capabilities with different types of data fields. Opt for Formula from the list of property types. This option is what allows you to input a formula that performs calculations automatically across your table entries. With the formula property in place, it's time to inject your own creativity and analytical skills. Type in the formula you need. Maybe you're calculating sums, checking for specific text, or turning data into insights. Whatever it is, type it carefully and ensure the syntax is correct. Notion is powerful yet precise, so even a small error can prevent your formula from working correctly. When you've finished typing and verified your formula, click on Done to save your work. This final step ensures that your formula is now active, applying its calculations or logic to the data in your table automatically. You'll notice the results instantly across your database, showcasing the power and efficiency of using formulas in Notion. So there you have it, the complete guide to writing formulas in Notion. By following these steps, you empower yourself to harness data within Notion to enhance productivity and clarity. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with formulas, the more intuitive they'll become, transforming how you work with data in Notion. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial insightful and helpful.